Have you ever felt uncertain about something in your business or your personal life? Self-doubt can creep up when you least expect it, and it can hold you back from achieving what you truly want in both your business and your personal life. Knowing what leads to self-doubt and how you can overcome it can significantly impact the actions you take in your business. Think about how you feel when you enter a room or a meeting. Are you normally confident, or do you show signs of self-doubt? In today's podcast episode, I cover what leads to self-doubt and how you can overcome it in your business or your personal life. When you're able to overcome self-doubt and build self-confidence, you'll find yourself setting more goals, taking more risks, taking more action, and overall achieving more. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, I want you to start generating the ability to trust yourself and strengthen your own opinion of yourself so that you know you're capable, competent, worthy, and strong. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created two options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. In last week's podcast episode, I talked about how you may be missing the experience of having a coach in your business and how you can try out coaching with an affordable introductory session to see if you would like to add coaching to your business or personal life. You can go to financialadventure.com/intro to schedule your introductory coaching session today. I've already had a few sessions with clients, and I wanted to do this podcast today because I see self-doubt as one of the main issues coming up in these sessions. During these coaching sessions, we worked through the self-doubt, focusing on specific instances that were causing it. I know there are many business owners who are struggling with self-doubt in their businesses, and I want to help you if this is something you're struggling with as well. Self-doubt is when you feel uncertain about something in your life or your business, especially when you're facing new challenges or situations. Self-doubt is learned. As we move throughout our lives, self-doubt can creep in over time based on past experiences. When you lack confidence or you don't believe in yourself, you may experience self-doubt. It can hold you or your business back from reaching your fullest potential. You can overcome self-doubt by increasing your confidence. So let's talk about what leads to self-doubt. As I mentioned earlier, self-doubt is learned. Self-doubt can stem from questioning your own actions, criticizing yourself, your past failures, or fears of failure in the future, previous negative experiences, being told in the past that you're not good enough, an embarrassing situation, the fear of the unknown, or trying to overachieve to reach success. As situations like these happen in your life, your self-doubt may grow. But once you're aware of your self-doubt, you can make changes so that you don't continuously have the fear of self-doubt holding you back every day. Is self-doubt showing up in your life? You may notice self-doubt showing up as imposter syndrome or feeling like you're a fraud, even if you've been successful in the past. You might be self-sabotaging yourself. You might struggle to make decisions or fear that you'll make the wrong decisions. You may be unsure of yourself, you might lack belief in yourself, or you might lack the courage to do new things. You might not give yourself credit for a job well done, or feel like you have a hard time accepting compliments from others. You may find yourself constantly looking for reassurance from others. You may have low self-esteem, or feel like you're never good enough. Self-doubt may show up for you as anxiety, depression, or procrastination as well. Are you finding that you may have a little self-doubt that you need to take care of in your life? The good news is that you can overcome any self-doubt that you might have. Even if you don't think you have self-doubt, I would recommend taking action on a few of the recommendations that I have for overcoming self-doubt. You'll be amazed at how taking these actions can help you achieve your goals. The first thing I'd like to recommend is to take a look at your past accomplishments or your achievements. Make a list of them and see if you can think about a time when you were uncertain about something and the outcome was actually very favorable. Review this list periodically so that you can become more confident about your accomplishments. Next, make sure that you're spending time with people who support you or make you feel good. Make sure that they see your positive side and believe in you. Start a gratitude journal and write down what you're thankful for every day. Even if it's just a simple thing, it all counts. Keep an eye on the standards that you set for yourself. How do you hold yourself accountable? Are you too harsh on yourself? Would you talk to your best friend the same way that you're talking to yourself? Make sure that you're not comparing yourself to others. Comparing yourself to others makes you feel like you need to measure up to them to be successful. You need to focus on yourself and what your idea of success is. It most likely is going to be different from someone else's idea of success. I also want you to watch your negative thoughts. When a negative thought pops up, ask yourself, do you really believe that it could be true? Change your negative thoughts to positive thoughts and watch how your confidence will grow. Understand what your limiting beliefs are and acknowledge them so that you can get to work to overcome them. Take time to reassure yourself that you're doing everything that you can. Focus on your strengths and your accomplishments and build faith in yourself. Have self-compassion. We're all human and we all make mistakes. Successful people learn from their mistakes and they keep moving forward. Write down your values or what really matters most to you. Make sure that your actions align with your values. Focus on what you want or desire and come up with a plan to achieve it. Take massive action. Stop making excuses and turn every excuse into an action. Set your goals and start working towards them. Keep moving towards your goals even if you experience failure. Use this failure as a learning experience and move forward. In life, you're either growing or you're learning. Start generating the ability to trust yourself and strengthen your own opinion of yourself. Know that you are capable, competent, worthy, and strong. When you have more self-confidence, you'll set more goals, take more risks, take more action, and achieve more. I want you to envision yourself as a self-confident person or business owner. Think about how you would feel when entering a room or a meeting with confidence. Think about how it would feel to always know you have the right thing to say at any moment. How could you remain confident even if you made a mistake or experienced failure? Don't sell yourself short due to your self-doubt or that you don't think you have what it takes to succeed. Embrace the discomfort that you're feeling and do it anyway. Give yourself permission to do it even if it's imperfect. You are human. You'll make mistakes. And you'll have self-doubt. But the actions that you take following your self-doubt are what will determine your future. Your potential is limitless, and you're capable of anything that you put your mind to. I'm here for you if you're struggling with self-doubt and you need additional help. I listen to my clients, I give them personal attention, help them move outside their comfort zone, move their dreams into a reality, help with feelings of frustration, anxiousness, worry, or unsatisfaction. My clients are ready to try new ideas and take risks. When you work with me, you no longer feel lonely or isolated in your business. You'll notice less conflict with yourself and your relationships. You'll develop more self-confidence, less procrastination, less disappointment, and you'll have more abundance and an overall well-being in your life. Your struggles are easier to handle. You feel happier, positive, and supported, and your quality of life is much greater. Hiring a coach like me in your business or your personal life is one of the best decisions that you can make. So ask yourself, are you missing a coach in your business or your personal life? If so, one of my goals for this year is to help as many people as I can to experience what it's like to coach with me. I'm opening up additional time in my calendar, and I'm welcoming you to try a coaching session with me. I know many of you have no idea what it's like to have a coaching session or how valuable a coaching session can be for you, so I'm taking away any fear that you may have by creating an opportunity for you to grow as a business owner. You have the opportunity to dip your toes in and see how you like coaching with an affordable introductory coaching session. I want you to see the potential possibilities you have with coaching. If you're ready to grab one of these sessions, you can go to financialadventure.com/intro and secure your introductory coaching session today, where I'll spend the whole time coaching you on anything you'd like coaching on in your business or your personal life. I'll post the link where you're listening to this podcast. I'm looking forward to working with you soon and helping you see the possibility and the benefits of coaching. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.